Welcome to the demo of Expedited Closing with CloudSense Contract Lifecycle Management. In the next 5 minutes, we will show you how CloudSense Contract Lifecycle Management can help your sales team become faster and efficient by addressing the 5 key business challenges: manual process to create contracts, following standards and compliance, approval delays because of overloaded teams, lack of ability to generate branded documents, and finally, requesting the digital signature from customers. In this demo, QuadStar will be our service provider, and Jenny is the account manager, who is responsible for closing new business deals. Jenny is incentivized for closing deals quickly, but her current process is manual and requires every contract to go through approval, where the approver has to thoroughly check the standards and compliances are properly followed. This process creates delays in closing deals and make the solution unscalable. In this demo, we'll show you how CloudSense CLM can enable Jenny to perform the following tasks herself: create a new contract automatically, review the standard contract and modify it to add a new clause, request new approvals before sharing the contract with customers, generate professionally branded documents that include product and pricing details and approved terms and conditions, and finally send the contract for customer digital signature. The contract management process starts after Jenny has already configured products in the basket and is ready to build the contract. She gives the contract a name, she selects a template that the contract administrator has created for her, specifies the output format, and clicks Save. With CloudSense CLM, Jenny uses a template-based contract generation process that automatically includes the relevant terms and conditions along with any product-specific terms. The approval type can be both clause and document or just a document, and it can be configured based on your business requirements. With few simple clicks, Jenny created an accurate standard contract document that can be auto-approved by the system to not only save her time, but also reduce risks and errors. Jenny can now review the contract details before submitting it for the approval. Based on the conversations with the customer, Jenny needs to add a clause under the renewal section to specify the maximum uplift rate. Jenny can add the new clause herself, but if she is not authorized to make changes herself, she can collaborate with the administrator to add the uplift clause. CloudSense CLM uses profiles and permission sets to ensure that only authorized users are allowed to make the changes to contracts. This ensures compliance and auditability, reducing risk. In this demo, Jenny has a permission to directly make the changes to the contract document. CloudSense CLM automatically detects the unapproved changes in the document and highlights them. This allows Jenny to track her changes, and it also helps the approver to spot the changes quickly during the approval process. Jenny is now ready to submit her changes for approval. CloudSense CLM uses the approval workflows to support multiple approvers in the chain. The approvals can be requested sequentially or simultaneously together. Now let's switch over the role to approver. Nicole, our approver, can easily spot which clauses were changed from the original document by looking for the highlighted sections. She can edit the clause and tag Jenny in the comments as needed to collaboratively finalize the contract. Nicole reviews and approves each clause first. Once all the individual clauses are approved, Nicole can approve the final document. Approved documents are locked for further changes. Users can create a new version if further negotiation is required, with the flexibility to go back to a previously approved version. CloudSense CLM leverages automatic approvals for standard contracts to quickly generate the final document. With CloudSense CLM, you can create a complete custom contract with tracking changes and enforcing governance policies to ensure the accuracy and integrity of the final document. If needed, CloudSense CLM provides a couple of options for your customers to negotiate contracts. First, you can export the contract document in Word format, share it with the customer, and import the changes back into the application. Alternatively, you can share the document via secure online portal where you can set permissions and govern the changes that customers can perform in the contract. CloudSense CLM ensures that all the changes are authorized, tracked, and go through the approval workflow before the final version is signed by the customer. Jenny is now ready to generate the final document and send it to the customer. The document generation engine generates the professionally branded document by combining the output design templates with the product details, approved terms and conditions, and customer data. The final contract document is attached to the opportunity in the Salesforce, or it can be pushed to an external document repository. CloudSense Next Best Action automatically detects the contract is ready to be sent to customer and provides a one-click action to send the contract for electronic signature. The customer receives the email with the contract document. The email also includes a link to a customer-specific secure online portal that allows them to approve the contract electronically. After reviewing the contract, our customer Adrian is ready to approve it. CloudSense CLM supports secure PIN for authentication and fraud prevention. It can also require a digital signature to be attached before approving the contract. Customer approvals are tracked and stored within Salesforce for reporting and analytics. CloudSense CLM automatically updates the opportunity stage with the customer approval status. When the opportunity is close won, the contract data is used to create customer-specific pricing and customer support entitlement. The signed contract is then handed over to CloudSense order management for fulfillment activities. To recap, we have seen in this demo how a sales user with just a few clicks can generate a pre-approved standard contract using templates, make changes to it, request internal approvals, generate a professionally branded documents that are sent to the customer for digital signature. We have also seen how Nicole, a contract approver, can quickly spot the changes, review, and approve them. Thanks for watching the demo.